Hello friends, I am Shafin and you are watching Study Time. Today's lesson is based on a very crucial topic. So today I will discuss four conversational sentences which you need to know. So let's have a look on this topic. So friends, what we will say when we want to drink water? We say, "Can you give me a glass of water?" We use this sentence when we want to drink water to someone. Friends, what we will tell when we want to know time? We use this sentence, "What time is it?" to know time from someone. The third one is when we want to borrow something from someone. We tell this sentence, "Can I borrow this pencil from you?" So friends, the last one is, "Would you mind taking a cup of tea?" We use this sentence when we offer tea to someone. Friends, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like my video then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and if you have any comments then comment below and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.